Hey team, what's going on? I wanted to shoot a quick little unboxing video for you. We got our Ucan samples in, so on the plus side, if you're going to be here this weekend or whatever's left on Monday and Tuesday, you have the opportunity to try out some of the new stuff that they have, whatever they sent us. So it's going to be a surprise for everybody. It's still sealed. You didn't actually open it up yet, so it's still closed up. There's no trick to it. But the other thing is, we had the opportunity to continue our partnership with them, and the fact that they wanted to continue their partnership with us speaks volumes to their character. Big company looked at us and said, hey, you guys have a lot of potential. We want to, ride along with you to see where you guys go. So just from a character standpoint, I'm very glad that we get to keep working with them. From a product standpoint, I'll shoot a video later on to kind of go through their products and what they're good for and what benefits they would have. So without any further ado, let's get to opening this thing up. Okay. Here's our box. It's quite possibly the hardest box I've ever. So what do we have? Cherry berry almond bars. Another one of those. Ooh, salted peanut butter bar. Get all weird. The other ones had some berry Ucan hydrates. We got some sample packs, a bunch of sample packs actually. We got some of the plain, some of the cran raspberry, some of the orange, chocolate almond butter. So there's a different flavor bar there. Energy and protein, cookies and cream. Not necessarily the greatest unboxing video, but my first one, so deal with it. So we got some bars, we got some powders, we got some hydrate, we got some plain Ucan powder, we got some energy plus protein. So on the plus side, there's plenty of samples in here, so next time you're in, go ahead and grab one, and I will see you guys during our next class.